So what you have to do, I hope you can see because I'm under the sun, what you have to do is you put a start times, for example 10, perfect. That's when 10 p.m. is going to start. The other two here, you're going to put it at 0. So to put it at 0, you do like this. Let me see. You have to turn it off, okay? Because you don't want to use those. I want to use only one start time. If not, it's going to start multiple times during the day. Okay, I found it. So to put it off, you have to go up all the way until you reach 12 a.m. and it's going to go off automatically before 12 a.m. See that? Okay, so you do that for number 2, and you do that also for number 3, because you don't want those. So number 4 also. I had 4 start times and I didn't know about it because it was programmed like that. But I noticed that my sprinklers were acting strange, so I started to check and I understood how it worked. So I wanted to start at 10 p.m. Perfect. Then you put it on run times, and those are your areas. So area number 1, I want to run for 20 minutes. Perfect. Area number 2, I want to run for 20 minutes. Perfect. Area number 3, I want to run for 20 minutes. Area number 4, I set it off because I don't have it. Anyway, it's not going to do anything because the wire I checked is not connected, but just in case, this one we don't want to do anything, so I put 0 just for video purposes. Eccola, 0. Okay, so now we are good. So A is the total actually. So you see that at the end is telling you A, 1 hour. So that's for this program is the total time that the sprinkles are going to run. It's 20 minutes plus 20 minutes plus 20 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, so after this you put it in run and you will see that it's going to work perfectly. Machine, if you want to run manually, for example, let's say I just want to run number 1, number 2, number 3 in manual. I just put it manual, then you put it run. Okay, sorry, I don't want to do number 1 because it's gonna wet on me because number 1 is here. So I just put it off, and I want to do number 3 that is on the other side. So you put it manual, then you put run, and it's gonna run for 20 minutes, then stop. Just remember that you leave it in run. What means that after you it's gonna run for 20 minutes, then it's gonna go pick the program. Whatever program is inside is gonna go pick it. Okay, so just remember that if you don't want the machine to run, you have to turn it off. That's it. And then I didn't show you the water days because that's pretty straightforward. It just show you here how many days you have. You can select which day is on and is off, and let me show you actually. And that's it. That's very simple. Say for example, my case I have to run Tuesday and Saturdays. Perfect.